Okay, so this is it now. I'll be using the 18 to 55 millimeter lens on the 4000D camera. So before I start taking the photos, have you ever heard of the CCWC Ministries Kenya? So go check that channel. I'll put that link in the description. So go check out the videos on the CCWC Ministries Kenya. Great channel where believers are being empowered and generations are transformed. So this lens is very good because it does at least all of the shots that you need. So I'll just switch and try to take, okay, the thing that I'll shoot, okay, I'll try to use the zoom distance of this lens. I'll try to use the full zoom, the 55 millimeter, and then the 18 millimeter. So let's see the shot that I can get from just where I am. All right. Turn on my manual. Then I'll just see what I got. So I'll start with the 18. So I'll just focus on this other camera, this 80D in front of me. Then you will see the distance covered. All right. I'll just take the shot now. Okay, that is the first shot that I've done using this. That is 18 millimeter. Then I'll do another one on the 55 millimeter zoom. So let me again go back to my settings. Then I'll just zoom full. There is a building just behind our camera. Okay, let's do it. Perfect. I've taken the 18 and the 55. So the next shot that I'm going to take is using this bigger lens, the 18 to 135 millimeter. Okay, I failed to mention that the f is 3.5. It has a f of 3.5. So let's just detach this one, then mount this other lens. All right, perfect. Let me close this one so that it is safer, no dust can get into it while not in use. All right. So this is it. I'll just repeat the same process. I started with the 18 zoom, 18 millimeter. So right, let's do it. There it is. There it is. Let me just do another shot. I probably did some lighting very wrong. All right. Okay, let's do it again. Perfect. Then again, I'll go to the 135. As you can see, this lens is very, very long. It is 135. This one is 55. That is something like 80 millimeter added on this one. Let me take the shot. Then we'll compare the zoom of the two. So look at this one. This one actually zooms into the building, and this one is very good for wildlife photography because you don't have to go closer to the subjects, because subjects may be very dangerous, like trying to shoot a hyena. Alright. So that is how I've taken the shots. Let me just compare it with you in a little bit. So I started with this one, this lens here, and then I ended up, I closed with this one, this lens. So the difference here, my image was a little bit shaking because I had, when I was using this one here, my image, the footage was a little bit shaky because it doesn't have any stabilizer in it. The lens has no stabilizer, but this one here, you can see there is a stabilizer just right here, and I had it on when I was checking the photos. So this one, I prefer this one. As I mentioned earlier in my previous video, I said that this lens is a little bit heavier, but with this you cannot break any sweat. But still, this one is my favorite because you get to shoot in long distance, you don't have to move, and then moreover it has a stabilizer, and well, the disadvantage is only that it is heavier. Okay, so let me just scroll to you the photos and you'll see the differences in the zoom.